Why should I keep vegetation trimmed around outdoor equipment? Keeping vegetation trimmed protects the equipment, improves safety, and helps it work efficiently for longer. Plants, grass, weeds, and branches can block airflow around air conditioners, heat pumps, generators, pool pumps, and other outdoor machines. When air cannot move freely, the equipment may overheat, work harder, and use more electricity. Leaves and grass can also get pulled into vents, fans, filters, or moving parts, causing clogs and damage. Wet plants touching electrical equipment can create a shock or fire risk, especially when wires, plugs, or damaged covers are exposed. Keeping a clear space also makes it easier to spot leaks, rust, loose wires, pests, or other problems before they become expensive repairs. A useful rule is to keep grass and small plants at least 2 feet away from most equipment, while branches should be trimmed so they cannot touch the unit or fall onto it. Check the area after storms and during the growing season, because plants can grow back quickly. One detail many people miss is that vines can slowly cover openings and hold moisture against metal, which can lead to hidden corrosion. A common mistake is trimming plants but leaving the clippings around the equipment, so rake them away after cutting. Another mistake is planting shrubs too close because they look small at first. Check the equipment manual for its required clearance before planting. Some people also spray weed killer or water directly near electrical parts, so use care and keep liquids away from outlets, wiring, and control panels. Do not cut branches while the machine is running if the falling pieces could hit a fan or vent. Turn the equipment off and work safely. If you notice burning smells, unusual sounds, exposed wires, or severe rust, stop using the equipment and call a qualified professional. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.